In this video, I will show you how to get dark mode in Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open up this menu. From here, come down to the bottom. What you want to do is click onto settings, and once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto appearance. Once you're in your appearance, there are two ways to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. What you can do is you can see there's an option for mode here. It's currently set to light, so if you give that a click, you can change it to dark, and that's going to instantly change it to dark mode. Or alternatively, what you can do is click onto theme, and from here you're also going to see the option to switch between light and dark modes. So once you've done that, what you can also do is come back to Google. So if you come to google.com, you can see it's still shown as light. So to actually change this, you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on google.com, click onto settings down here, and you're going to see the option for dark theme. You can see it's currently turned off, but if we give this a click, it's going to turn it on. And as you can see, it is now in full dark mode. So if we actually use this as well, we can come across to different websites, and most websites will now be using the dark theme as well. So that is how to get dark mode in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.